I thought of this pre-dental program because when I was a dental student, I was looking for something like this. A chance to experience dentistry hands-on before they commit to it.
There's hands-on technique, there's lectures on all the different disciplines. It just gives them a feel of it.
Just being able to come in here and get different lectures from specialists and being able to practice our hand skills in the simulation lab has been so rewarding and really allows me to learn more about what dentistry actually is.
A program that enabled you to work as a pre-graduate student and see how you felt with the instruments was something that really sparked my interest.
In terms of the simulation lab and the one-on-one conversations with professors, I mean, that's unchallenged anywhere else I've been. I've learned a tremendous amount, not only about how to hold instruments, what the instruments are, how to maintain yourself in terms of being a professional at all times, and how to communicate effectively with your colleagues and other peers in a setting such as this. So that's been pretty remarkable.
The technology at Touro is really what drew me in and made me want to come into this program.
They give you a chance to do everything hands-on after lectures are given.
We had an hour and a half of lecture on modern digital dentistry.
We've seen the 3D printers, we've seen the different 3D scanners. We've been actually able to use them throughout this program, and I think that's something that makes Touro really unique.
I can just tell from the faculty here, they're really caring about their students, treating them as an individual who wants to excel in their field.
From the faculty to the staff, doctors in the hallway, the DMDs and DDSs you see kind of just hanging out. Everyone here has been more than accommodating. I think that every pre-dental student here is really getting their own one-on-one attention that they need and deserve, and I think they've done a great job sort of curating this whole event.
They are very helpful. If they see me stuck in a certain task, they will come up to me and help me out. Everybody's super nice, everybody's super kind.
I would absolutely suggest this place to my friends. I have pre-dental students at home that I'm friends with, and every day after I end this program, I'm calling them like, oh my gosh, guess what I did this day? And it's so awesome. I'd recommend this to everyone.
You're working in the lab and it's so peaceful, and sometimes some of the teachers play music and you're like, this is what it's like to be in Touro's dental school. I really want to be here.
It gives you the choice to make whether you actually want to become a dentist or not. And I think because of this program, I made my final choice that this is the career I want.
I would do it again myself, and I will recommend it to my peers and friends and family.
I mean, I've been more than impressed with everything. I've already recommended it to a few other pre-dental students that I know from back home. I've recommended it to my pre-dental club back at Quinnipiac, and I'm really trying to get the word out because I think that this is definitely something that every pre-dental student should give a shot.